In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use syntax highlighter code in WordPress. Whether you're a developer, a blogger, or just someone who loves sharing snippets of code online, making them more readable and visually appealing can truly enrich the experience for your readers. Let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly integrate syntax highlighting into your WordPress website. First things first, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you will need to install a plugin that will support syntax highlighting. A popular choice is the Syntax Highlighter Evolved plugin. To install it, go to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Syntax Highlighter Evolved and hit Enter. When you find it, click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, don't forget to activate the plugin. This step is crucial to make sure the syntax highlighting functionality actually works on your site. Now that you have the plugin activated, let's go ahead and see how you can use it to display code beautifully on your posts or pages. Open the post or page editor where you want to insert the code. It's important to be in the text editor, as opposed to the visual editor, because this is where you can work with raw code. Here, use the pre and code tags to wrap your code snippets. Essentially, this tells WordPress and the plugin that anything within these tags should be treated as a code block. For instance, you would write your code block as pre followed by code language equals in single quotes and then your code and close it similarly at the end. Remember, replace language with the specific programming or markup language you're using, such as JavaScript, HTML, or PHP. Adding this detail helps the plugin accurately highlight the syntax for your specific code. After inserting your code within these tags, save your changes and preview the post or page. You should now see your code beautifully highlighted on your website. This method ensures that your code is both visually appealing and easy to read, thanks to the proper indentation and color coding. If you want to customize the appearance further, go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Settings, and then Syntax Highlighter. Here, you can adjust various options such as the theme, line numbers, and toolbar options, allowing you to tailor the syntax highlighting to fit your website's style and needs. Feel free to experiment with these settings to achieve the look you desire. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use syntax highlighting for code in WordPress. Giving your code snippets this professional edge not only enhances readability but also makes your content more engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!